So for this tutorial, we're going to be needing brown paper, measuring tape, a straight ruler, a curved ruler, and a pair of scissors, and of course a marker. So we are going to be taking our measurements, your waist measurement, your hip measurement, and the length of the skirt. That's all. Now all measurements, 3 horizontal measurements, are going to be taken based on the hip measurement, and the first horizontal measurement is going to be the waistline, which is based on hip measurement. My hip measurement is 40 inches divided by 4 because we're dealing with a quarter. That brings us to 10 inches, so we are marking 10 inches right here. Mark it there, waist measurement. The next horizontal measurement will be the hip measurement, and that's taken at the hip level, which is usually from your waist measurement to the hip point. Mine is 7.5 inches, so right there we rule another straight line, marking the hip measurement, which is also based on the hip measurement itself, 10 inches, like so. We can just mark it there. And the last horizontal measurement will be our hemline, which is our skirt length, and that's taken from the waist measurement to your desired length. I used 25 inches, and I'm marking it right there, another horizontal line, 10 inches. Rule it like so. Now we will be connecting all 3 lines together to form a rectangle, as you can see. So the next thing, now we're going to mark our dart point, which is 4 inches, and of course, yeah, put your center front marking there. 4 inches from the center front is going to be our dart point, and the length of the dart is a little over 3 inches, and the dart width is 1 inch, so we're marking ½ inch on both sides, and we draw the famous dart triangle. Now we're going to be marking the waist measurement right there on this horizontal, and my waist measurement is 30 divided by 4, which gives us 7.5 inches. And now we are going to be adding the 1 inch that we took for the dart, which makes it 8.5. So we're marking it right there. And the next thing we're going to do is to draw the hip curve with our curve ruler. And that's it. That's just it. And that's the front pattern. The back pattern can be traced from the front pattern, which I'm going to show you now. So yeah, we have it. Front pattern. Now we are going to trace the back pattern, which is basically a replica of the front pattern, but the difference is that we're going to put a vent for ease, because usually our straight skirts have openings at the back. So we are going to be tracing, well, not all skirts. If it's a stretchy skirt, many times we don't have that. So we are tracing it out right now, like so. And after tracing it, now we're going to be marking, yeah, of course, I like to mark the points, the hip line and the dart. We make sure we put all darts and just close up those lines right there. Mark the darts. So now we're going to be marking the vent, and mine is 9 inches starting at the hemline up. Mark 9 inches. It could be any length you want. It could be less or it could be more. And the width of the vent, I used 1.5 inches, so we're just going to roll it right down. It looks like a rectangle itself. So that's it. That's the back. That's how simple skirt, basic skirt pattern is. So you can just mark that vent there so you know what it is. So yeah, there you have it, and we'll just be cutting it out, and yeah, that's it. So of course we'll be putting allowances when it's for an actual project. This is just an illustration. So next I want to show you a variation of this pattern, two variations. This is straight right now, but if you want to do a pencil skirt which is tapered in, what we're going to do is to mark 1.5 inches from the side seam in, take it in, and just draw a connecting line from there to the hip line. So that's how a pencil skirt, a tapered skirt is, the famous pencil skirt. Alternatively, if you want an A-line skirt, of which on this A-line skirt we can actually create a flare. We're going to be extending the side seam by 2 to 3 inches and connect it, and that's it. Two variations of the basic skirt pattern. We just mark it there, a line and a pencil skirt, or a tapered skirt. So that's it. Easy, simple.